everyone, Crapshoot here. We're gonna make some necklaces out of these seashells we got. Got quite a few of them. So if you want to go down the beach and collect them, there you go. I picked out a few of them. What we're gonna do is, if they don't have natural holes in them, like some of them do, you can punch holes in them with a puncher or a nail or whatever. I got these leather strips right here. Get on Amazon. Cut them down to 24 inches. All basically did was slide it through the hole in the shell. You got yourself a seashell necklace. Sell them at the markets. Don't have to charge that much, $1 a piece. So if you see any seashells down the shore, pick them up. Cha-ching, cha-ching. Sell them at the market.